right, so lots of ways to ask you to take a derivative. Rate of change is one of them. So fancy way of saying find your derivative. And we have a product here, 3x squared times that. So I'm going to use product rule. So you either know it as first times derivative of the second plus second times derivative of the first, or left d right plus right d left, or with the formula, however you want to do it. I want to do left d right plus right d left. So, whoa, that got excited. uh, okay, so we're back to, so what's left? So 3x squared times d right, so the derivative of the right. So the right, we need to use chain rule when we take the derivative of that. So it's 6 times 4x to the fifth minus x to the fifth times the derivative of the inside. There we go. And then we continue with our product rule. So that was left, d right. So chain rule embedded within product rule. And then plus right, 4x to the fifth minus x to the sixth, d left, so 6x. And they want it when x is -1. So when they ask for particular values, a lot of times it's easier to plug that value straight in rather than clean this up first. Sometimes it's better to clean, but most of the time, just plug it in, see what happens. Especially a lot of times things will go to 0 if they're being nice. Who knows? I wasn't being nice on this one, so go ahead and use a calculator. The numbers on the real test won't be as bad. So yeah. So all I'm going to do is plug in -1 to all my x's. So that's 3 times 1 is just 3. And that's 6 times -1 to the fifth is -1 times 4 is -4. Minus a -1 is +1 to the fifth. -1 to the fourth is +1 times 20. Da, 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 da. So just plugging in -1 and then just cleaning this up just a little bit. And then here it's just calculator time. So when I plugged these in on my calculator, I got 3 times -27702 minus 4374, which eventually gave me -87480. But yeah, so the big idea here was product rule with a little chain rule and then just plugging stuff in. So much fun.